Hello kids, this is Komal Sharma. Welcome to our channel. Before we will start our today's class, if you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe it, like and share the videos, and don't forget to press the bell icon for our latest notification. Today I'm going to teach you about kinds of sentences. Tell me, what is sentence? Yes, you're right. A sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. Let's do one activity. Find out the sentences among these. We have to find out the sentence among these lines. Let's read first sentence. Has a rickshaw wheels 3? Yeah, here are group of words, but we are not able to understand the meaning of this line. So this is not a sentence. Her son likes to read stories. Yeah, this is a sentence because here we are able to understand the meaning. I am watching a movie. This is also a sentence. Yes. Name Ria Mai is. No, this is not a sentence because here are group of words, but we are not able to understand the meaning of this line. So let's learn about their kinds. There are 4 kinds of sentence. Number 1, assertive sentence. Number 2, imperative sentence. Number 3, interrogative sentence. And number 4, exclamatory sentence. Let's learn each of the sentence one by one. Number 1, assertive sentence or declarative sentence. A sentence that makes a statement is an assertive sentence. For example, my name is Komal. So it's just a statement I'm telling about myself. So this is assertive sentence. It always ends with full stop. It always ends with full stop. Let's see some examples. The earth moves around the sun. The earth moves around the sun. So it is a declarative sentence. My name is Preeti. This is also a statement. So it is declarative sentence. I have a blue dress. This is also a example of assertive or declarative sentence. They are not playing in the park. See, assertive or declarative sentence can be positive or negative. Negative means where you will see this not. They are not playing in the park, but it is a statement, and this is declarative sentence. Let's move to our second kind of sentence, that is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence tells someone to do something. It always gives an order, command, request, or advice, and it ends with full stop. Means imperative sentence gives an order, command, or request. Okay, let's see some examples. Get out of my room. When we are reading this sentence, we are able to understand that someone is giving order. Get out of my room. So it is an imperative sentence. Next, respect your elders. Here, someone is giving advice that we should always respect our elders. So this is an imperative sentence. Please shut the door. Someone is requesting. So this is also an imperative sentence. So imperative sentence always gives an order, advice, command, or request. This is our third type of sentence, that is interrogative sentence. A sentence that asks a question is called interrogative sentence, and it always ends with question mark. For example, where do you live? So in this sentence, someone is asking a question that where do you live? So it is an interrogative sentence. Let's see some examples. Where do you live? So it is an interrogative sentence. Which is your favorite cartoon? Here someone is asking that which is your favorite cartoon? So it is also an interrogative sentence. Do you know Mr. Singh? This is also an interrogative sentence because someone is asking. Let's see our next kind of sentence. Our fourth kind of sentence is exclamatory sentence. A sentence that expresses a sudden or strong feeling is called an exclamatory sentence. A strong feeling of happiness, joy, sorrow, these all are comes under exclamatory sentence. It always ends with exclamation mark. Okay, so let's see some examples. Then we are able to understand about exclamatory sentence. That is a huge whale. Huge whale. This is also a sudden feeling to see a whale. So this is also an exclamatory sentence. What a beautiful day. This is also an exclamatory sentence. We won the match. It is a sudden feeling of happiness. So this is also an exclamatory sentence. I feel so sad. Someone is showing its sorrow. So this is also an exclamatory sentence. Always remember exclamatory sentence ends with exclamatory mark. Now let's recall with the help of this activity. Take the correct option. A sentence that expresses a strong feeling. A strong feeling. Tell me. A sentence that expresses a strong feeling is called an exclamatory or an interrogative? Yes, you're right. An exclamatory. Next, open the window. This sentence gives a command or asks a question. Open the window. This sentence gives a command or asks a question. You're right, gives a command. Interrogative sentence ends with a. Interrogative sentence always asks a question. So it ends with a full stop or question mark. Question mark. You're right. Let's do one more activity. Here what you have to do, write A for assertive, I am for imperative, E for exclamatory and I for interrogative sentence. I am going to read you and you have to do. There are 7 days in a week. This sentence is a assertive, imperative, exclamatory or interrogative. Next, are you reading a book? You won the prize. Please shut the door. Look at the blackboard. Now do it fast and show me. Yes. Let's see you all have done correctly or not. There are 7 days in a week. Yeah, it's a statement. So it is assertive sentence. Are you reading a book? Means someone is asking. So for asking a question, it is interrogative sentence. Right. You won the prize. Sudden feeling or strong feeling. That is exclamatory sentence. Good. Please shut the door. Someone is requesting that please shut the door. So it is imperative sentence. Look at the blackboard. Someone is giving command that look at the blackboard. So it is also imperative sentence. So today we have learned about kinds of sentences. Thank you class and have a great day.